Some people lose their job in 2026. Some people lose their hair in 2026. But these cars lose their existence in 2026. Today, we're counting down 13 cars that will vanish forever in 2026. Some were murdered by SUVs. Some choked on emissions laws. Some just embarrassed their own brand. 13. Acura TLX. This car wanted to be a BMW, but lived like a Honda in a nice suit. Great handling, super comfortable interior, excellent build quality, very reliable compared to Germans. Beautiful dashboard layout, but nobody showed up to buy it. Why it's discontinued? Sedan market collapsed. SUVs ate it alive. Luxury buyers moved on. Acura finally said, let it go. 12. Chevrolet Malibu. The Malibu survived the 2000s. It is known for being an extremely comfortable ride, very fuel efficient, cheap to maintain, and massive trunk space. Great for Uber and road trips. Fleet sales kept it alive like hospital life support. Rental companies were its biggest fans. Why it's discontinued? Americans stopped buying sedans. EVs stole attention. Crossovers stole customers. The Malibu exits like a legend of the past, with a cashback deal. 11. Subaru Legacy. The safest sedan nobody bought. This thing grips the road like Spider-Man. It came with standard AWD, insane grip in winter, great safety record, reliable boxer engine, and a smooth ride quality. Why it's discontinued? Every legacy buyer switched to the Outback. Why buy a sedan when you can get extra roof? Even Subaru admitted, yeah, this is just an Outback in denial. 10. Volvo S90 Luxury. Safety, soundproofing like a submarine. The Volvo S90 is extremely safe, has a beautiful minimalist interior, plush ride, advanced tech, and one of the cleanest dashboards in the industry. Why it's discontinued? EV revolution. Gas cars are out, batteries are in. Volvo is replacing engines with extension cords. The S90 leaves like a noble knight, retired by electricity. 9. Lexus RC. This car made you feel rich without being rich. The Lexus RC is known for its stunning design, luxury without German repair bills, smooth V6 option, rock-solid reliability, and a premium sound system. One of the last affordable luxury coupes left. A car this sexy deserved a better ending. Why it's discontinued? Nobody buys coupes. Insurance is crazy. Rear seats are useless. People said, it's pretty, but does it hold groceries? Lexus answered, no. Goodbye. 8. Lexus RCF. A natural-sounding V8 in 2026 is rare. Screaming at 7,000 RPM, burning fuel like a rock star burns money. The Lexus RCF is known for its ultra-durable drivetrain, track-level handling, high resale value, and timeless design. Why it's discontinued? Emission rules. High costs. No EV version. Government said, less power. Engineers cried softly into their helmets. 7. Genesis Electrified G80. Luxury EV with Tesla ambition, Bentley styling, and Nissan Leaf popularity. The Genesis Electrified G80 has insane ride comfort, silent acceleration, ultra-luxe interior, clean EV power, and executive-level presence. Why it's discontinued? Too expensive, too niche, too unknown. Luxury buyers didn't trust it. EV buyers didn't afford it. Genesis said, we tried. 6. Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 has a stylish design, comfortable seats, modern infotainment, compact and easy to park. It also offers a decent miles per gallon. Why it's discontinued? Too many rivals, not enough buyers. Fancy badge alone wasn't enough. When your car competes with 40 others, it dies quietly. 5. Cadillac XT6. The Cadillac XT6 is not bad, just invisible. It wanted to be premium, but customers said it looks rented. The XT6 is a luxury small SUV with a 3-row seating, smooth ride, good interior tech, spacious trunk, and good highway comfort. Why it's discontinued? Didn't sell well, too generic. No emotional pull. Cadillac killed it for EV glory. 4. Infiniti QX50. Cool design. Weird CVT gearbox. The Infiniti QX50 had one trick that scared everyone, a sleek design. It also had comfy suspension, quiet cabin, and a good luxury feel. Why it's discontinued? That CVT transmission and reliability couldn't fit in the same line. Old engine tech. Luxury market moved on. Nobody remembered Infiniti existed. Sad but true. 3. Infiniti QX55. The Infiniti QX55 has sporty looks, comfortable seats, lighter than big SUVs, and decent tech. Why it's discontinued? Less cargo, higher price, same engine. People said, why pay more for less space? Infiniti had no answer. 2. Nissan Ariya. This EV had potential. Then Tesla cooked it. The Nissan Ariya offers a smooth ride, quiet cabin, decent range, and a stylish interior. Why it's discontinued? High price, low demand, too late. Ariya was late to the party, and the food was gone. 1. Toyota GR Supra. The king returns, then dies again. Yes, this hurts. The Supra is fast and beautiful. It comes with a German engine, reliability tuned by Japanese soul. It offers insane speed, shocking handling, head-turning design, and a legendary brand name. Why it's discontinued? BMW partnership expired? New generation too expensive? Sales too low? Again, Supra fades into legend mode. If your car's on this list, you might be driving a collector's item or a ghost. These cars stop breathing, but history keeps their engines alive. Comment which car you would save, and subscribe if you love cars before they disappear.